Hello, our little friends. Nice to see you again. Today we will watch our building master, how he builds for us a beautiful dolly house. What is amazing here is that this house costs us nothing. We just recycle some old cardboard boxes. Is this not beautiful? And now the walls will be placed on the prepared floor. And now the roof comes on. Now our dolly house looks like a proper house.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
Let's add some nice round columns at the entrance. It always looks elegant.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Let's cover up the entrance so that no one needs to stay in the rain.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
To make it proper, let's even close up the opening on the roof first with a suitable flashing, otherwise it could rain in. Let's finally also add some stairs in front, and then the masterpiece is finished. Friends, if you don't want to miss any of our new art and craft for kids uploads, please join us and subscribe to our channel by pressing the subscribe button here below. Keep well and see you soon.